HOLYFANCY presents the 3-in-1 Magic Kit. Our eco-friendly fabrics are made from recycled plastic bottles and upcycled tire tubes. A magic kit composed by 3 independent bags that can also be plugged together. The essential kit of accessories that you need for any kind of routine. The backpack is full of modular features, with an isolated and easy-to-access compartment for computers and everything that you want to protect. A simple system that allows you to plug and unplug the accessories quickly. Fast pockets. And a luggage pass-through. The Magic Kit is travel-friendly. Our vertical zippers give you instant access to all your belongings. The shoulder bag is designed to be easily transformed in a small backpack, giving a new look for your outfit. You can close the backpack in 3 different styles, like this, like this, or expanding the top flap for even more space. It is minimalist, multifunctional, and practical. The perfect match for your work days or chilling journeys. Very comfortable straps, and a back panel built with a high-tech mesh that allows your back to breathe. Smart compartments inside helping you to organize all your belongings. High-quality zippers with an automatic block system, and water-resistant fabrics. Help us bring the Magic Kit to life by pre-ordering at the lowest price.